So we're going to be starting from scratch, and we're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, welcome. On the channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing, passive income, and making money from home. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNutt icon in the right hand corner of the screen and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So where have I actually been for the past 2 weeks, and why am I talking about starting from scratch? Well, first of all, let me address where I've actually been for the last 2 weeks. So some of you guys have probably noticed that, I haven't really uploaded any video content in almost 2 weeks here on this channel. So I wanted to go ahead and address that. Number one, I've actually been taking a lot of time to actually learn and implement some paid traffic strategies in my business. So I'm at a point now in my business where that I can routinely invest in paid traffic methods. So I've been doing that, and I've been learning some different paid traffic methods because I want to, invest more into scaling my business and my campaigns so that I can make a lot more money, and it doesn't take as much time, when doing the free methods. So I will be making some video content, some of the paid traffic methods that I'm doing now. In the future, I'll be creating some content about that, and I'll be posting it here on this channel so you guys can learn as I'm learning, as well as I'm scaling my campaigns. The second reason you haven't seen me in a little bit is I've been doing a little bit of traveling. I was actually just in the state of South Carolina, where I actually attended kind of a family reunion / my grandmother's birthday. I'm fortunate to have actually 2 grandmothers that are in their 90s. So I went to South Carolina where we had a big birthday celebration for one of my other grandmothers that just turned 94 this past weekend. So we had this huge celebration. There was a dinner, there was a barbecue, there was tons of activities that we did throughout the weekend, lots of great food and fun with the family. So I just came back from that and had an amazing time. So now let's talk about why I am saying that I am starting from scratch. So over the last few weeks, I've actually been doing a whole lot of thinking, and I've been trying to process why there's so many people that fail with their affiliate marketing business. And what I've concluded is that affiliate marketing is actually broken. Like, the model itself is designed for the majority of people to fail. And even if you actually do make any sales, you don't make consistent sales, and you never get rich with your affiliate marketing business. Why? It's because you're not actually taught or shown the full picture, just a little small piece of it. We're taught that, you throw up a squeeze page, you generate some traffic to that squeeze page, and all these sales will start falling out of the sky. Well, let me ask you, have you tried this yourself? How's it actually working for you? So over the next few weeks, I'm gonna be releasing some pretty powerful content, and I'm gonna be breaking down why affiliate marketing is actually broken and why you're not able to get over the hump and make consistent sales. So you don't wanna miss this content, guys. It's gonna be powerful, and it's gonna show you the full picture that the gurus are not showing you. So make sure you definitely stay subscribed to the channel. Click that little bell notification, because you're not going to want to miss this content. So as far as the rest of the summer goes, I actually do have a few more vacations planned, so please bear with me. I'm going to post as much content on the channel as possible, but definitely be on the lookout for the next few videos. Again, I'm going to be releasing some powerful content and kind of pulling back the layer and showing you guys what the gurus aren't showing you and what they're not telling you. So again, make sure you pay attention, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for those videos. So until the next time, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. So guys, I actually wanted to show you this picture of my grandmother's house. You can actually see I was doing some vlogging for another video that I was creating. And I wanted to just kind of let you guys know that my grandmother that turned 94 years old this past weekend, she actually raised 5 kids on her own. She did it completely by herself. And she worked in a hospital laundry room. She cleaned laundry for a hospital. She was making a total of $3 per day. And that house that you see here in this picture, she paid for by herself, making $3 a day. And it's just a testament to what you can achieve with hard work and determination. She didn't ask for any handouts. She worked hard every single day. She took care of her family, her kids. They've all grown up to be great individuals and successful individuals. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's because hard work, determination, grind, and grit goes a long way. And my grandmother did that. I love her very much. And again, I think that we can all learn from, you know, this example of just working hard and getting the things you need to do. You can have a great life. So, you know, love you, Granny. And I'm finally out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.